guys, welcome to my channel. It's Missy Meows here. I hope everyone is doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how you can gain your first 100 subscribers within a week. And some of these tips and tricks, they actually worked for me, so I thought let me share. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So the first thing, guys, you have to do is to promote your channel. What I mean by promoting your channel, I don't mean you have to spend money on that, because it's not the only way to promote your channel. You have to send your channel, like, or your channel or your videos links to your family and friends. If you go to school, just send them to your schoolmates. If you go to work, just send them to your workmates. Or when you go there, you know, tell them about your channel. Like, you know, if you're at school, tell your friends about your channel. Work, tell your workmates about your channel, what it is about. Tell them to check it out and to subscribe. So, because if you didn't know, most of the YouTubers, all of us here, our first subscribers, they're always from our family and friends. But when I mean friends, that is if they are real friends, because there is some fake friends. And the other way as well is to promote it on your social medias like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter, and Snapchat. Those social medias as well, obviously you have friends there, and you have people as well who knows you like posting every time, so they'll be curious as well, want to know what is your channel about. So if you just put it there and explain what is your channel about and ask them to go and check it out and subscribe, they will definitely do it for you. So yeah, that's the other way as well you can gain your subscribers. And the other way as well is to join groups. When I mean by joining groups, you have to check the groups on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I am sure you'll definitely find the groups there. If you just type in all small YouTubers boost, then join all those groups, like join them. And when you join the group, start interacting with other people there, and then you introduce yourself, you know, start posting your YouTube links. Then you explain what it is about, because people, they want to know obviously what is your YouTube about. Because you can't just go there and say, oh, like, please guys subscribe to my channel, because in those groups there's going to be, like, you know, different content creators. Some people will be doing games, some people will be doing like how can I say, some people will be doing games, some people will be doing music, you know, different things there. So you have to explain what is your video about, so that people, they know if they are clicking to the right content which they will enjoy in the lifetime, you know. Because when it comes to this, guys, you're trying to gain as well a lifetime subscriber. You're just not trying to gain a temporary subscriber. We want lifetime subscribers who are going to keep watching our videos. So as I said, you just explain what is your video about, what is your channel about, and then that way they will have an idea. The other thing as well, guys, your channel tags. Like, do you know your channel banner? That channel banner, it has to be specific what is your channel about. And if it's about beauty, lifestyle, if it's about vlogs, if it's about you just know what is your channel about, then you just have to put that in your banner. And obviously your banner, it has to be good, it has to look good. Your other way as well, if you don't know how to make those, and then you can just go in the you just go in your like Facebook groups, you actually find some people who knows how to do it. You know, you just ask for a help there, or like maybe some people will be charging, I don't know, but you might be lucky to find a person who can do it for free for you. As all of you'll be small YouTubers, you're trying to help each other, you're trying to grow. So yeah. And then the other thing as well, you have to make a thumbnail. Like, your thumbnail, it has to be eye-catching. When I mean about eye-catching, your thumbnail, it has to attract people out there. Like, you know, when people are just scrolling down, you know, like seeing whatever the video, like searching for the video they want to watch, some people just see a thumbnail and they'll click on that. They don't even see like how many views you've got. They just click on the thumbnail, because your thumbnail, it'll be attracting, you get what I mean? Like, so if your thumbnail attracts them, they're just gonna click on on your video straight away, and then that way you've gained another view, you've gained maybe another subscriber. So the other thing as well you have to do is to make sure you upload at least 3 times to 4 times a week. So when you do that, the YouTube algorithm, they'll start to push your video and suggest it to other people, because you'll be more consistent. Like, you know, consistent is the way here, like consistent is the key. If you just do that, like, trust me, your videos will be getting published everywhere. People will be getting suggestions of your videos. So 3 times to 4 times a week when you're just starting, it is perfectly fine. Don't follow about other them big YouTubers. Maybe they'll upload like once a week. It's because they're already well known, so you can't really follow the big YouTubers what they'll be doing. So right now, as a small YouTuber like me as well, I'm still a YouTuber. Oh, I'm still a small YouTuber. I'm still working on my channel. You know, we just have to put on work. Like, we have to put on work. We have to work hard towards this till we get, you know, where we want to be. Okay. And the other thing, guys, all I can say is, well, do not limit your niche. Okay, so maybe you're planning on doing like only beauty, because obviously I know they always say like you have to stick to one niche. But as a small YouTuber, okay, for what I've researched, what I've noticed, sometimes you just have to go along with the trending videos. You just search what's trending, okay? You just search what's trending and see what is trending on YouTube, because people will be watching that more. So let's say if your channel is only about beauty and you're creating videos about, like, maybe let's say something which has gone trend like months ago, a year ago, nobody's coming to watch your video. Maybe you only get like 3-4 views. You won't get like as many views as you'll be looking for, because you've created something which has gone viral ages ago. So all you have to do is to search as well what's trending, and that way you'll be able to you know, to gain more views and subscribers. So I'll just give an example. Like my channel, it started as a male's glam, because my channel, it was only about like makeup. But then again, I realized that there is some other things which I actually enjoy doing, like DIYs and stuff like that. So I was like, let me change my channel to to Missy Mills. At least on Missy Mills, it's something which I know that I can post my vlogs, I can post sometimes my makeup, I can post, or maybe like what can I say, lifestyle and stuff like that. You get it? So you just have to look into all these things as well. Don't just stick into one thing, especially when you're just starting. Maybe other thing, guys, what I have noticed as well, people, they enjoy doing videos like, let's say, or like how to do this, how to anything with how to, like, most of the times it gets views as well, because people, they want to learn, because most of the people on YouTube, they want to learn, you know, on how to do things, DIYs, or like how to do this, or like how to create a ring light on a budget, how to do this, you know. People, they enjoy that as well. So you'll find you actually get more views and subscribers through that. And the other thing, do not go for sub, especially when you're in them Facebook groups, because last time when I did my previous video, I did about sub. If you don't know what it is, then go and check it out. It's the video which I've uploaded before this one, so you can go and check it out, what is sub about. I even mentioned about sub in the groups, that sub will hurt your channel, and it will definitely hurt your channel. Your channel will not get anywhere. So yeah, just stay away from sub, like for like, view for view, comment for comment, or to go on people's videos, you know, putting your link and asking sub, comment for comment, link for link. Like, no, that is not the way to gain your first 100 subscribers. Even that's not the way to gain subscribers, even in the lifetime, because it will hurt your channel will get terminated, and then that will be it. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you have enjoyed watching this video, if you think that this information is useful, then please like the button, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you think about this, and if this is going to work for you as it has worked for me. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and love. Bye.